Signsr personal finance software makes life easier. Finding personal finance software is easy, because there are countless choices in mobile apps, online programs, and finance software you can run on your home computer. But they're certainly not equal. Personal finance software should make your life simpler, not more complicated, and it should be customizable for your particular life, goals, and needs. You know you've found great software when your financial life becomes easier over time. Here are 6 signs your personal finance software makes life easier. 1. You haven't paid a late fee in months. Does your personal finance software let you know in advance of when bills are due? It should be easy to set up automated alerts that tell you a few days before monthly, quarterly, or yearly bills are due, so you can take care of them and avoid annoying and guilt-inducing late fees. Ideally, your software should notify you by text, so you'll be sure and get the message whatever you're doing and wherever you are. 2. Spending categories correspond to your actual life. When personal finance software requires you to shoehorn your actual spending patterns into preset spending categories, the result can be confusion and frustration. Look for software that lets you create an unlimited number of spending categories you can customize. Do you buy your employees breakfast once a month? You can make a spending category for it. Are you a coffee or microbrew aficionado? You can make a spending category for it. Your budget should conform to your life, not the other way around. 3. You see how trimming budget fat affects financial goals. Sometimes it just doesn't feel worth it to hold back at the grocery store after a long day or when buying Christmas presents. But when your personal finance software shows you exactly how disciplined spending helps you achieve your financial goals, like a vacation or paying off a loan, it's easy to avoid giving in to those little temptations you face every day. When you can see how your discipline pays off, you're more likely to stick with your good habits. 4. You may have faced 1 or 2 painful truths. Powerful personal finance software can tell you things like how much you spent on fast food last week, or how much you've paid in non-network ATM fees this month. Sometimes, getting control of your personal finances means facing some harsh truths, like how much those little extras add up to. Your software should also be able to tell you how much more quickly you can reach financial goals if you cut a certain dollar amount from various spending categories. It's a great way to stay on track to your goals. 5. You know exactly how close you are to meeting financial goals. Maybe you want to save for retirement, or build up a down payment on a home. Your personal finance software should show you exactly how close you are to your goal at any time. You should also be able to receive monthly emails that track your progress and see how your everyday spending decisions affect how much you'll have left over at the end of the month. Don't settle for software that doesn't let you track your progress easily. 6. Your personal finance software goes with you everywhere. Personal finance software that links your computer and your mobile devices empowers you to make smart spending choices anytime, anywhere. Thinking about buying an item you unexpectedly find on sale? You can check your account balances right on your phone and know instantly if you can afford it. You can also set up